GNSS puts the power of positioning, and that would be surveying or GIS, in the hands of a much broader audience.
With the EGNOS satellites, you get this meter accuracy available at no costs.
We use GNSS technology for mapping because it's fast and cost efficient.
EGNOS is a good tool, it's a good entrance technique for GNSS.
To manage land and infrastructure efficiently, accurate mapping is essential. Farmers and forestry managers map boundaries as well as land features. Utility companies map infrastructure, and local authorities need access to a geo-referenced inventory of anything from park benches to street signs or underground water pipes. Global Navigation Satellite Systems, or GNSS, is widely used because it's more cost-effective and flexible than traditional ground surveying methods. GNSS mapping systems require accurate and reliable positioning that in many cases cannot be achieved by relying solely on GPS. EGNOS, the European Geostationary Navigation Overlay Service, offers enhanced accuracy and integrity. EGNOS improves positioning measurements using 3 satellites and a network of about 40 reference stations in more than 20 countries, providing much greater accuracy than achieved through GPS alone. Here's how it works. Stations on the ground pick up signals from GPS satellites, which are then centrally processed. The accuracy of the original signals is determined, and factors such as ionospheric disturbances are taken into account. These data are incorporated into EGNOS signals and sent to its 3 geostationary satellites. The satellites then relay the signals back to users. The result is substantially improved positioning accuracy and data integrity. But how can EGNOS make a difference? EGNOS substantially increases positioning accuracy as compared to the standard GPS signal.
Accurate mapping is very important to us because we need to develop very detailed plans for the national authorities such as Ministry of Agriculture and the National Authority for Forestry.
This
equipment uses EGNOS, which is ideal for us because the mapping is very close to the actual situation on the ground. We obtain a margin of error of about 50 centimetres to a metre.
For many mapping applications, a metre-level accuracy is sufficient.
We always have to adapt our accuracy to the task that we have, and that's the first lesson of a surveyor, to give the accuracy that the client needs.
The idea of having real-time corrections in the field, accurate real-time corrections, is really keen because you eliminate that entire post-processing software development, software maintenance, software training, not knowing until you get back to the office what your results are going to be. And so real-time for me is the only way in the future.
The EGNOS signal provides a constant level of positioning accuracy, which means metre-level surveying will no longer depend on the availability of ground infrastructure or costly subscriptions. Using EDAS, the EGNOS Data Access Service, the correction signal also becomes available using a mobile data connection.
With this TCP/IP service, where you simply connect to the internet, receive the EGNOS corrections via a TCP/IP port, gives our customers the opportunity to get the EGNOS corrections everywhere in Europe.
The EGNOS signal is free and enables cost-efficient mapping solutions. It eliminates the need for subscriptions to ground-based, long-wave correction signals. Because the correction is applied in real time, no time-consuming post-processing is needed.
You have 2 main advantages. Is you will have real-time correction. The other advantage is it's free of cost for the device and for the measurement. While for differential GNSS, usually you need to have a connection and you have to pay for that service.
For our customers, many of them are in a price-sensitive market, so they have a lot of cost pressures to do their job. And for them, the EGNOS is a big opportunity to get accurate data at no costs.
Por isso há aqui, de longe, uma maior qualidade.
This technology offers a far better solution and meets the needs of our citizens. It's more efficient and more cost-effective. Costs are substantially reduced. In terms of urban planning, traditional surveying was 5 to 6 times more expensive than GNSS systems we use today.
The ease of using EGNOS provides access to mapping technology to more people.
You know, WAS and EGNOS are so easy to use. It doesn't take any extra equipment to use it. All receivers have it built into their systems today, so there's no extra expense to it. You turn on and it's there.
Once collected, EGNOS corrected positioning data can be seamlessly integrated in Geographic Information Systems, or GIS.
All new technology, such as GIS and GNSS, are very important for a municipality like ours. It's one of the new tools that helps in all the planning and management of our territory. We use GIS to map all areas, whether it's in town or in any of the more than 60 villages that make up our municipality.
EGNOS will be complemented by Galileo, Europe's global satellite navigation system.
For us, Galileo is very important. We are very eager to use it, and we hope that it will come soon.
I think things are heading to be cheaper, smaller, more accurate in the future.
Accurate mapping will improve the efficiency of local authorities, increase the accuracy of land management and boundary measurement, as well as enabling utility companies to build an up-to-date inventory of their infrastructure, to name but a few of its applications.
The EGNOS positioning is a great support because it is available, it is at no cost for our users, and they get a reliable and stable position.
EGNOS makes free accurate mapping widely available.